Hey guys, Mr. Light is back with It's a Dog. Hang on. It's a dog's love and I love it. Yeah, that's a reference, by the way. Try and figure that one out. Anyway, on today's mission, we have 2 more bones to get here before we move on. First off, I got some smells to collect. There's another one. And there are these. Lovely and stinky. Out of the way, sheep. There's a dog coming through. Yeah, that one's over that sheepdog because we still need to do the light blue smells, which is another dog challenge. Okay, we're halfway there. And yes, I do intend to get all the scents. This video is going to be finishing up the field. Oh, there's one.
Hit me again, my friend.
Jake. You just love things that smell really weird.
Essence of dead rat.
Unbelievable. Right, I believe now the other smells are somewhere around here. Quite a few here, actually, I gotta say. Okay, I don't even want to think what that was. Oh, it's the birds! They're attacking me!
Oh, brother! Who cut the cheese? Whoa, did something die?
Okay, let's just get these scents.
If I find 8 of these, I can do the digging challenge.
Yep, there's a dig. The dig challenge, it's not that difficult actually. But the digging challenge is one of the technically the easiest in the game. Okay.
Whoa, that should clean out my sinuses.
Okay, now if I remember there's something over here, isn't there? There's nothing in there. Fair enough. There's still 3 more I'm missing. There's another one. Okay, there are 2 more hidden around here. Make that 1 more. Yeah, don't go near that skunk. It'll damage you a lot. Anything over here I'm missing? There it is! Ladies and gentlemen, that is 50 purple cents. As that further, I got an issue here. Okay, that's better. Sorry about that, I had issues with my microphone. So let's go get the bone. The bone, the bone.
Bones, my favorite.
There we go. Got that one. Now the only one left to get in this area is the one for the digging challenge. So.
Oh, I just love the smell of toe jam in the morning.
There we go.
No problemo, baby. Jakey has superior bone power.
Yep, you just gotta dig all of them before the opponent does.
Go.
And honestly, these are very easy. I honestly find the digging challenges almost impossible to lose. Here's this one, and 1 more, and then we've won. Yeah, that's basically it. You can do it, Jake. Where are you going, Jake? You did it. So there we go, guys. That is the final bone for the big field. Let's go collect our bone. Then that should be all the bones in this area. We can move on to the next zone.
Oh, tastes great.
That is so weird that the bones seems to do that. 25 bones, and that's all of them here. Now, actually, we want to go to the left. I think. Is it this way? I think it is. I think that's where we want to go. Chicken farm. Yes, this is where we want to be next. Welcome to the chickens. Bark, bark.
You're not a chicken chaser, are you, boy? Get rid of that flapdoodly fox, and I got something for you.
Hey, some of my best friends chase chickens.
Okay, so there's a fox here. That fox is going away. Oh, where are you, foxy boy? Where are you? There you are, I see ya. Yep, that was catching the fox. That's how easy that was.
Zippity-doo-dah. I've been after that bushy-tailed bandit since my foxhound just up and disappeared. Take this bone, my friend. You earned it.
Why, thank you, sir.
You hear about the dog nappings round here, fella? Why, there was even an article in the local paper, but I tore it up to use as bedding for my chickens. Can you find it?
Oh, really
I
now?
like it a lot.
Well, to do that, we need something very important.
You hear about the dog
Oh, for
nappings
heaven's
round
sake.
here, fella? Why, there was even an article in the local paper.
Yeah,
But I
he
tore
was
it up
right
to
behind
use as
me,
bedding
and then
for my
I
chickens.
pressed circle
Can
and
you
he
find
spoke.
it?
Flip, say I hate that.
Bones.
Jump up here.
Wahoo!
There we
At
go.
last.
2 bones. Now, we need to go and get some scents, but there's also some other bones I need. Like, for example, this one.
Bones. That's what it's all about.
Right, let's get these. Some lovely
yes.
smells.
Nice and stinky, does it?
Oh, it's tug of war.
3, 2.
Yeah, 29 to 5. You can see this is not going to be very difficult. And there we go. Easy. Now,
Oh, this is weird. I can't even see my nose.
now what we got to do with this guy is go into each one of these coops and get each one of these here. The problem I find with this part is going up these ramps with this guy is pretty darn difficult. He tends to slide right off them and actually go around them. Just one more now. Wow, that was easier than I thought.
Yep. Says here, Clarksville dog napping epidemic spreads to Lake Minnewawa Ski Resort.
That's where those creeps took Daisy.
Ah, we got a
I hope
hint.
this keeps you strong. I reckon you might need it.
Yes, we got another bone.
Bone-alicious.
There we go, guys. That's awesome. Right, let's see here. What else have we got to do here? Is there any more? Oh, reds. We can learn the new begging trick. No. Oh no, this isn't begging. That's if you get 4. This is a different one. Oh, it's pursuit. Chase the dog.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come here, little guy. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Yeah, that was way too easy. Let's go get our bone. Here it is. I want my bone now.
Simply the best.
Delicious. Now then, there's still the case of the blue. Now I believe somewhere around here we'll find blue. Oh, I remember where it is. It's actually inside the coop. Not inside the coop, it's on the roof. What you want to do is... There it is. I believe what we want to do is go around this side. Right. Come up here. There it is.
Gosh, armpits.
Come on, I can do it. Oh, flip. Careful. Get down. Here we go. Let's get these scents.
Oh, I just love the smell of toe jam in the morning.
9, 10, 11, and 12. And guess what? We are right by the bone.
Bones. That's what it's all about.
There we go, guys. So, 32 bones. We're doing pretty well. All we have to do now is get all 50 of this purple scents. You know what? I might as well, if that's the last bony, I might as well do that now, eh? Get it out of the way, then we're 100%ed this zone. Heck, might as well. Nothing over here, so is there anything over here? Nope. But I do believe there are some in here. Well, there's one in there. Grab that. My flip. There we go.
Woohoo! I smell underpants.
Wait, how did I miss that? How the heck did I miss that smell? That's a bit weird. Okay, let's get as many.
Oh, I just love the smell of toe jam in the morning.
Yeah, I have to say, one thing I have to admit, there are some very often used quotes he says.
Boy. Now that's what Jake calls stinky.
There are quite a number of quotes in the game,
Armpits.
but he repeats them quite often. It can get so flipping irritating to hear the same darn line over and over again. Right, hang on, I want to get that. Then we're going to cross the moat, or the river, whatever you want to call it.
Stinky smells. It's what life's all about.
Plenty of them in here.
Yummy. Ooh, the stink.
Come on, get this. Right, let's go over here. There's some more scents here I want. Funny thing is about this area, quite a lot of the scents are all gathered together. You can really clear out a lot of them quickly here. Heck, I'm not complaining, that just makes it easier for me. Okay, 5 more to go. 4, 3, 2, Just gotta get 2 more. Where are they? Where are the last 2 smells? They over here somewhere. They behind the building. There's one. There's only 1 smell missing. 1 single smell. Now, oh yeah, just wanted to check his health. You can tell if Jake has taken damage quite a lot if he starts getting all weak when he walks. Come on, where is that last scent? I know it's around here and I will flipping find... Wait, is it in the coop? I guess not. Huh. Alright, whatever. Well, it's somewhere here, and I'm blinking well gonna find it. Is it over here? No, guess not. Okay, let's go over here and have a look. Is it up here? Nope. Living insects. Not among these rocks. There's where we got the bone. Don't you just... Wait a minute. I found it. I was going to say, don't you just hate it when you've only got one thing you're looking for and you can't find it for the life of you? Oh yeah, see now? You see how Jake has slowed down intensely? That means he's weakened and he needs to eat. Then, if I eat this bone...
Oh, yummy.
He's instantly back at full health. Seriously, that was it. Anyway, guys, that's it. We now have all the bones in the chicken farm. Now, next time we move on to the next zone, which is the next plot area. See you then.